How's it going, guys? Today, we're working on an Acura ILX and we'll show you how to reset the oil life. So now, all you need to do is Step 1. Press the start button 2 times without depressing the brake pedal. Step 2. Press the up or down arrow button and keep scrolling down until you see Vehicle Settings or Customize Settings menu and press the reset button to enter. Step 3. Now, you want to scroll down again until you see Maintenance Info and press the reset button again. Step 4. At this point, it'll say Cancel right now, so you want to press a button to highlight Reset. Step 5. Once it shows Reset, you press the Reset button one more time and the reset is completed. So that's all there is to reset the oil life on your Acura ILX. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and check out my other video. Thanks for your time, and have a great day.